construction, we have this term which is called eliminating the wall acne. Remember when you were prepubescent and some of us had acne all over our faces? Same applies in design. You want to eliminate the wall acne. And the way you do so is by eliminating the thermostats, or as much as you can eliminate from the walls, to make it open for actual art or things that you actually care about. And this is why we have this wall here full of thermostats. All the thermostats are actually located in the mechanical room, and the way that it controls the temperature, we have in-floor sensors to monitor the radiant heat, and we have recessed wall sensors, so that the two combined gives you a greater ambient control. And they're all individualized by zone. I live in a house with 4 women, the 4 women in my life. And for this reason, I wanted to make sure that I was able to have optimal control. And now, because you have all this heat in this one room, keep in mind 160 square feet, there's a lot of heat that's generated in here. And you're gonna notice the one ecobee stat. That thermostat actually works for the exhaust system. It takes the heat out of the mechanical room, any excess heat, and pumps it out. And I like the fact that it's incorporated with Alexa. So if you have a question, or if you just simply want to play music while you're working, you can do so.